Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of CCV Craft. Today I'm going to show us how to make this right angle weave. You can make it in different ways, but today I'm going to show us one of the ways. So after watching this video, if you have any concern, question, or if you're interested in learning the other way of doing it, let me know. I will not hesitate to do the video. So to start this design, I'll be using 0.35 fishing line and size 6 crystal bead. You can use any size of bead. You can use the size 8. You can also use seed bead. Remember the one at the last video I did, if you want to do a matted ball, it's still the same pattern, but today I'm doing a right angle weave. And to start this pattern, there are so many ways of doing this, but this is one of the ways. That's what I'm showing us today. But if you're interested in learning other ones, remember I said you should not hesitate to let me know. Drop your comments, so I will, when I see it, I will not hesitate to do the video. So to start it, I'll pick 3 beads. I'll let it drop and I'll take one to crisscross it. Remember, you have to cut a comfortable fishing line you can handle. So I have this now, and after this I will pick one on my right, one on my left, and I'll take one to crisscross it like this. I have this. I hope you can see it like this. So as you can see, this is what I have. I have 2 of this, and this will form my base. That's doing it with this pattern. So I have 2 crystal on my right and 2 on my left like this, and I drop them. So at this point I will pass my fishing line. As you're seeing the 2 beads here, I'll pass my fishing line through the one down and pass it behind it like this. This, you see where my rope is coming from. Then I'll do the same thing with my left. I pass it through this, if you can see very well. So I have it like this. Then I drag the 2 ropes. Then I will have this. I have this now. So this is what it looks like when after dragging it. This is what it looks like. So when you look at the back, you will see it this way. So at this point, what I need to do now is pass my rope through the back, pass it through this place, this side, that's crisscrossing now, pass it through here, and pass my left fishing line through the same bead. I'm trying to reinforce it. Remember, if you do it like this, so after passing it here, you can see it at the back. Then I will take my fishing line. I'll pass through my right fishing line through this one here, and I'll pass it through this one in front here, this bead. I'm taking my time, so you will understand what I'm doing. This, then I'll do the same thing with my left fishing line. I'm passing it through this one here, then I'll crisscross it through the same one. So after coming out here, I'll pass my fishing line through this one here, and I'll pass my left one through this one on the left, and at this point I have it, my ropes, my fishing line is facing up. Then I'll pick, at this point I'll pick one and crisscross it. So you see, when I pick one, this is it. Then here you have this opening here, so I need to reinforce this. You see, you can use any side of it now. So if you're making 12 beaded balls, this is exactly 12 beaded balls, and you stop here. Once you get to this point, you're done with your 12 beaded balls. But remember, we're doing a right angle weave, so this is the base. We have it done like this. You see it? So here to step up, the same thing I did before, just to form the base, I'll pick, you already have these three done as the base, so I'll pick one on my right and one on my left, and I'll crisscross with one, making it three. So I have this. So you see it, I have one here. So at this point, I'll pick 2 crystal beads with my right. The same thing, exactly what we did before. 2 on my right, 2 on my left, like this. 2 on my right, 2 on my left. And remember, this is the one we added, and this is the base. And now I have 2 on my right, 2 on my right and my left. Then I'll pass through this. That's the base. I'll pass my fishing line through this, and I'll have it like this. And I will do the same thing with my left bead. Remember, this is the base I'm passing through. This one here. And I pass it. I have my fishing line. You see it? Very easy to make. You see, I have it like this. Then I'll do the same thing. The next thing I do is just to move my fishing line up. This is my fishing line, my right fishing line. Bring it here and pass it through this here. Remember, why we went round in the first place is because it's the base, we need to reinforce it. So here I do the same thing with my left fishing line, then I pass my fishing line through this. So you see we are here now. This is the back, and I have this. So at this point, you pick one seed bead to crisscross. You crisscross with one seed bead, one crystal bead, like this. So You see it? This is what you do continuously till you get to the length you want. So this you reinforce because it's open here. You use your, take one of the fishing line on your right or left, anyone you prefer using. You come back here, you go around this just to reinforce it. This is what we have here. So this is it. You can see, I hope you can see this very. So I'll do this one more time so that you get it, you understand it better. So here I have this. The next thing I do at this point is to pick one crystal on my right, one on my left, then I'll crisscross with one, and I crisscross it with one. Then I have this. This is what I'll have, this. And so standing it like this, then I'll pick two crystal on my right and two crystal on my left, and two crystal on my left. So now look at what we have here. Remember, this is the one we added now. So always don't forget the base. So the base is the one standing here. This one is the base now. So I'll pass my fishing line through this. You see, my fishing line is coming out from here, and I'll pass the next, my left fishing line. Remember our base, don't forget it. So I'll pass my left fishing line through this. Is our base, this one here. So at this point we have this. This is our base. So we have it like this. Our fishing line is coming out behind. So I pass my right fishing line through this bead here. Pass it through this and through the next one in front like this. And I'll do the same thing with my left fishing line. I'll pass it through this and through this one here in front here. So now we have the both fishing line facing up and in one direction. So I will pick one crystal, then I will crisscross this. I will crisscross like this. This is it. Continue in this pattern till you get to your length. This is so simple, and this is very simple when you're doing it alone. You don't have anyone to help you with this right angle weave. Then you just do it, and remember always to reinforce. Whenever you come up this way, you always have here open. So always remember to use the fishing line on your right or your left as you want it to reinforce it, just the way I'm doing, like this. Like this. Then here. This is it. I so love this design, and this is very easy to make. Once you're used to it, you love doing it instead of the other patterns. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share my videos, comment on them, and let me know if you have any design in mind you want me to do the tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time or visiting my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.